Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Gryffin and Mö, or so. Yeah, the combo there made the song called Reckless. So Reckless is about 4 chords only through the entire song in the same order. That's a great concept here. We'll love that on Gordon Guitar. So we'll dive into this one. It will be a pretty short one, only one string pattern through the entire song as well. So that will be it for this one. No need for any capo, okay? So we'll go to chords and we'll start with the E minor. So open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. That's what you're gonna play for E minor. Next chord will be B minor. So you need a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, 5 strings. From bottom up, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Yeah, nice sound there. Now next will be C. Okay, bad sound there. Yeah, that's better. So it's 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be G. Okay, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, you have the chords there and you will play them in that order. E minor, B minor, C, and G. We have one string pattern, but we need to divide this one into 2 parts. And the reason for that is because we're gonna split it in the last 2 chords there. I'm gonna show you the first chord and you're gonna play a full strumming of that, and then I'm gonna show you how it's done when you split this strumming. So we will start with E minor, that's the first chord, and one full round of the strumming will sound like this. Alright, so the first part will be down, down, clap. And that's it. So down, down, clap. And the second part will be right after this clap, you will play down, down, clap. Okay, so you play right after the clap, you play the first down, and then you wait for a second, or not even that, you have a short break, so it's down, down, clap. So the second part will be, and that's it for part 2. So together it's down, down, clap, down, down, clap. Down, down, clap, down, down, clap. Down, down, clap, down, down, clap. A little bit faster. So on. Yeah, it gets boring with just E minor, so let's look at the chord progression. You're gonna play one full round of E minor, one full round of B minor, and then for C, you're gonna play one full strumming plus part 1. So that will be down, down, clap, down, down, clap, and then down, down, clap. So 1 plus part 1. And then you quickly change to G, all right? And play part 2, which is down, down, clap. So slowly, one chord progression round will be like this. Okay, and with some tempo. So on, and that pretty much covers Gryffin MØ Reckless. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I did. So have fun with this one and play tuned.